Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record scene on a Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to record your screen, so let's see how can you do this. You have two different ways. The first way is that you just have to scroll down in control center and you'll get the screen recording option here. Just tap on it and it will start your recording your screen. When you have done, you just have to tap on this and then select stop icon here. In this way, you can easily record your screen. But there's a second way. You just have to open settings, and here you just have to enable settings. So scroll down, look for shortcuts and accessibility, then select Easy Touch, enable it, and you'll get the green dot here. Just tap on it when you want to record your screen, and here just select Screen Recording, and it will start recording your screen just like this. When you have done, you just have to tap on it and then select stop here. In this way, you can easily record screen on your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.